Good morning to Madam. My name is Vanasa Anak Perempuan Bumi, metric number 306507. We are from Group 10. My team members is Siken, Amni and Mira. Our project name is Badminton Court Booking System BCBS. Badminton Court Booking System BCBS is designed to make booking badminton court easier and more efficient for student and admin. The system allows users to log in, check court availability, make booking, choose time slot, and complete payment smoothly, while reducing errors such as double booking. To support the design of the system, system artifacts are used to show how the system works from different perspectives. These artifacts help explain the flow of the activities, user interaction, and system structure, showing the system is well organized, reliable, and easy to manage. Now, I want to explain about use case diagram for Badminton Court Booking System BCBS. The main actor for this use case is student or user who interact directly with the system to manage their court booking. The use case is managed booking, which is represent the overall booking functionality provided by the system. Under this main use case, user can perform three main actions, which is add booking, update booking, and cancel booking. This action covers the full life cycle of a court booking, from creating a booking to modify or cancelling it when needed. When the user select add booking, the system includes two steps, which is choose court and choose time slot, which is mean this step must be complete to successfully make a booking. There is also an optional feature, which is racket rental, which is show and extend use case, allow user to rent a racket only if they need it. For cancel booking, the system includes refund booking, indicate that a refund process will be carried out after a booking is cancelled. This use case is allow user to book badminton court by selecting an available court and choose the suitable time slot. User can also choose to rent a racket if needed, and they also can cancel the booking when necessary. This makes the booking process flexible and convenient for user. Before accessing this, there are two preconditions that must be met. First, the user must log in into the system. Second, the court and time slot must be available in the system. This is to ensure that the user only can make valid booking. The use case is active when the user select the court booking option from the main menu. For basic flow, first, user select court booking. Second, system display booking option. Third, user select add booking. 4. User select court and time slot. 5. User optionally add racket rental if needed. 6. System confirm booking and update status. Alternative flow for update booking. User select the update booking option and the system display the current booking detail. The user can modify the date, time slot, or racket rental if needed. After confirmation, the system update the booking with the new detail. For cancel booking, user select cancel booking and the system check whether cancellation is allowed. If it is eligible, the system process the cancellation, initiation the refund according to the policy, and update the booking status to cancel. This is to ensure the booking record remain accurate. Exception flow. We show what happens when problem occur during the booking process. If user try to book a court that already taken, the system will detect the conflict and display court already booked. If the selected time slot is unavailable, the system will display time slot not available and prompt the user to choose another slot. After the process is complete, the post condition describes how the system updates its record. The booking will be saved or updated. The racket inventory will be adjusted if needed, and if booking is cancelled, the booking status will be updated to cancel. This is to ensure the system remains accurate. For the rule of the system only allows one booking per court and time slot to avoid any conflict. Users must cancel their booking at least 3 hours before scheduling time, and any refund will follow university policy. In terms of constraints, the system must always prevent double booking and update racket availability after each booking. This rule helps to keep the system fair, accurate, and reliable for all users. This activity diagram shows the managed booking process for badminton court booking system BCBS. The actor for this activity diagram is student or user and the badminton court booking system. The process starts when the user select the court booking menu, choose a court and select time slot. The system then displays the available court and time slot and check the availability. Next, there is decision point to determine whether racket rental is needed. If yes, the user select a racket and the system update the racket stock. If not, the process continue. The system then calculate and display the total fee, and then user select payment type and the system save the booking detail. Finally, the booking status is updated and the process ends.
Okay, so next is for the sequence diagram. Okay, so now we will go to the login page. So user will enter their credentials such as username and password into the login page. And from the login page, it will send the credentials such as username and password to the login controller. And from the login controller to the user account, it will verify the credentials. And from the user account, it will validate the credentials. And if successful, the login controller will display the successful message back to the login page. However, if the user enter the invalid username or password, the system will redirect back to the login page and will ask the user to click forgot password if they have forgot their password and want to reset it. So they will click the forgot password and the login page will go to the login controller to initiate the reset. And from the login controller to the user account, it will reset the password. And when reset the password, and it will display back to the login page, display reset successful. So for the booking page, user will select add booking and the booking page will display the booking page. So the user will choose the court time slot and also if they want to rent the racket. And the booking page will submit the booking to the booking controller. The booking controller will check the availability to the court schedule and the court schedule will display the successful message through the booking controller to booking page. And then the booking controller will save the booking details and to the booking record. It will also update the racket stock if the user choose to rent the racket. And lastly, the booking controller will display the booking confirmation to the booking page. However, if the court has no availability, it will send back to the booking page to say that you have to choose again the availability, the next one. Next, for delete user, admin will click delete user. The page will display the user list, and admin will choose which user to delete, and the page will send to the controller to confirm the delete. And through the record, it will find the username, and if found, it will remove the user record. And then if successful, it will send back to the page, the delete is successful. Such error that can happen here is when the user record are not found. Next is for the collaboration diagram. So the collaboration between the user and login page is the user has to enter the credential, and from the login page, it will send the credential to the login controller, and then from the login controller, it will send back to the user account to verify the credential. So when validated the credential, the user account will send back to the login controller. The login controller will go back to the page to display the successful message and then send to the user. Okay, so next is for the booking diagram. So the user first will select the app booking to the booking page, and then it will choose also the code and time slot, and also if they want to rent the racket, and then from the booking page, it will submit the booking to the booking controller. So the controller will check the availability in the court schedule, and then it will save the booking details to the booking record, and then if the user rent the racket, it will also update the racket inventory. And then if the court is available, it will display the successful message and also the booking confirmation. And then for the payment, so the user will select the payment to the payment page, and then payment page will display the payment, and when the user choose the payment method, the payment page will direct to the controller, and then from the controller, it will process the online payment, and then through the payment gateway, it will make the payment. So when the payment is successful, it will save the payment to the payment record. Next is for the manage user. So from admin to manage user page, the action such as select manage user, and they will click to view the users, and if they want to add, they will click add new user. And then for the update, they will need to enter user details and click update user, and also select which user to update. And to update, they will need to enter the new username or password. For the delete, they will click the delete user and select which user to delete. And then from the manage user page, it will display manage user page, or display add form, display user list, or display update form, and display the user list. And then from the manage user page to the user controller, it will send the new user or send the new username or password or confirm delete if they need to add or update or delete the user. And then from the manage user page to the user record, it is to get the list of registered users. So to get it from the user record, it will display all the registered users through the user page. And then from the user controller, it will find the username through the user record. Okay, so for the class diagram, first we have the BCBS panel, badminton court booking system panel, which has the login panel, manage booking panel, manage payment panel, manage user panel method. And then it will interact with the BCBS controller. So in the controller, it has login controller, booking controller, payment controller, and also user controller method. So from the controller, it will communicate with login, booking, payment record, and also the user. So for the login, the attributes is such as username and password in string. And then for the method, verify credential, validate credential, and also reset password. And then controller, communicate with booking, the attributes such as booking ID, code, time slot, and also rental option. For the method, set details, check availability, save booking, and also update record stock. So for next is controller, communicate with payment record, attributes such as payment ID, amount, method, and status. So for the method, make payment, save payment, reserve booking, and also confirm pending status. And lastly, controller, communicate with the user. So the attributes such as username and also password. And the method is get all users, add username, password, validate user, update user, and also delete the user. And then from the booking, it has three inheritance. So number one is booking record. So booking record attribute is booking ID. The method is save booking details. Next is for booking that check the availability of court schedule. The attribute is court and time slot, and the method is check availability. And then next is booking that updates through the record inventory. The attribute is stock and the method is update stock. And then the login will also validate the user.